I strongly believe in working collaboratively. And that's because all of the work that we're doing is almost invariably cutting across disciplinary boundaries, bringing together clinical oncology, basic hematology and cancer biology, systems biology, biocomputation, mathematical modeling, epigenomics. And what my experience was that by working collaboratively and crossing these disciplinary boundaries, you can really innovate because you borrow concepts from one field to another. So, for example, our work with epigenetics, because my previous work was in statistical genetics, I was able to come up with a new perspective of how to look at epigenomics by virtue of coming from a different field. So I think that I would continue to collaborate. I worked very closely with the German CLL Study Group. I work with the Institut Gustave Roussy in Paris, both in terms of samples and in terms of thinking and designing new trials and coming up with the right way to collect plasma for liquid biopsy and to collect single cells for single cell technology. I collaborate with the Boston community, with NHLBI, with MD Anderson. So I think that this is a new world where there's lots of data out there. We need to be smart in leveraging this data and bringing it back together, and be able to think about it together. And I think to some degree that's the mission of the Genome Center, to sort of serve as a hub that people from New York, but also from the world can come together, can bring data, and we can leverage it together to come up with new ways of thinking and new therapies.